Introducing BIOEXO, Immune Exosome Skin Booster. What is exosome? Exosomes are endoplasmic reticulum of 30 to 150 nanometers in size that are released from cells with nuclei for cell-to-cell communication. Exosomes transport proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids with microRNA, mRNA, and various biomaterials to recipient cells. How do exosomes work in skincare? Exosome therapy allows new exosomes to swoop in to help wake up inactive skin cells and older exosomes so they can get back to work to repair, strengthen, and rejuvenate skin. Our discovery of immune progenitor cells takes exosome therapy to the next level. We discovered immune progenitor cells on cord blood cell isolation and named it dynamic linker cell. The immune exosome is a pure exosome manufactured through the purification and sterilization of dynamic linker cells that does not contain cell culture medium or cytokine components. It is a cell with completely differentiated biological characteristics from mesenchymal stem cell-derived exosomes. How do dynamic linker cells compare to mesenchymal stem cells? Dynamic linker cells can differentiate into T cells, B cells, natural killer cells, neutrophils, and macrophages. Its exosome production capacity is 100 times higher than mesenchymal stem cell exosome. Immune exosome is pure, compact, and small in size, while mesenchymal stem cell exosome is large and sparse. Immune exosomes contain 5 proteins important for skin regeneration. Collagen type 1 is a key collagen that forms the structure of various tissues. Collagen type 6 is a major collagen for skin fibroblast formation. Retinol binding protein 4 is an essential protein that binds to retinol and delivers to skin cells. Alpha 1, 2, 3 plays an important role as an extracellular matrix and helps keep cell membranes stable. PRX6 enzyme is one of the antioxidant enzymes that suppress reactive oxygen species in the human body. What are the functions of immune exosomes? Immune exosomes effectively suppress LPS, which are substances that cause skin inflammation. Immune exosome also has a skin recovery effect. It helps improve skin wrinkles caused by aging by rapidly promoting differentiation and movement of skin cells, quickly regenerating damaged skin barriers and restoring reduced skin tissue density. We made a skin booster of the brand BIOEXO with immune exosome derived from immune progenitor cell. This high-performance booster is created by combining our patented formula, Part 1 human cord blood progenitor cell exosome, and Part 2 human cord blood progenitor cell-conditioned media extract. BIOEXO Booster can fundamentally help solve various skin-related problems. It helps relieve irritated and sensitive redness skin. It is effective in reducing signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines. Additionally, it is helpful in relieving conditions of plaque psoriasis. BIOEXO Booster is also effective in promoting hair restoration. Its antioxidant properties help remove pollutants from the scalp and activate skin cell regeneration and collagen synthesis. As a result, it distributes nutrients to the hair to help thicken hair, restore, and prevent hair loss. We hope you found this information useful. To learn more about our BIOEXO, please visit humexlab.com.